Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create home screen folders on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. Firstly, hold the app that you would like to have in your folder, so just like that. And now drag it onto the other app that you would also like to have in your folder. So let's drag it into internet, let's say. And if it's like, shadow of the app is outline, as you can see, if I move it wrong, the other apps also move. But if I move it onto it like directly, a little gray border is going to be created. So now just release the finger when the app doesn't run away. And as you can see, a folder has been created. Now if I would like to remove the folder, all I have to do is go into that folder, hold the app and drag it out of the folder and drag it out back here. As you can see, folder has been deleted. So that's all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, write them in the comments.